The 9th month regimen is more focused towards preparing the mother's pelvis and the pelvic region or the whole reproductive system towards a normal labor or a sukha prasava or a natural labor. So other than the diet which has been already mentioned, there are certain specific regimens told like Anuvasana Vasti, that means oil enema, which is given to the mother through a rectal route, which helps in the easy labor as well as it helps in the quick process of labor, because there are different stages of labor. So it prevents the labor from being prolonged. So this helps in easing the pain during the labor as well as easing the duration of the labor. Along with this, there is a procedure of a vaginal tampon. There is a tampon which is prepared, and this tampon is dipped in a medicated oil or ghee, and then it is introduced into the vagina. This is done for a duration of 7 days or 14 days in the 9th month of pregnancy, which has the benefit of lubricating the vaginal canal, which prevents the abrasions and the unnecessary bleed and tear that happens during the normal labor process. And it also does lubricate the cervix. So the effacement of the cervix, that when I say effacement, it is the moving up and thinning of the cervix, which is very much required for the baby to come out through the cervix. And this also helps in giving some reflex called as Ferguson's reflex. So what happens is, when a tampon is repeatedly kept into the vagina, so it initiates the hormonal axis for the release of oxytocin, which is a hormone which brings in the contraction in the uterus, which is required for pushing the baby down and fixing the baby into the pelvic girdle, so which helps in proper movement of the baby during the labor. So these are the specialized techniques called as Anuvasana Vasti or the Matra Vasti, and the Yoni Pichu, that is the vaginal tampon, specifically done in the 9th month of pregnancy, focusing towards the normal labor.